pumping right now. It's pretty windy out, but I mean, whitewash just swept everyone through. I mean, look at that. The white foam. But let's get a good one. Oh, I'm done. That one hurt. That one hurt my cheek and my foot.